Hey, guess what? We hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel here, and I just wanted to say thank you so much. I was thinking of doing something fun, off the wall, whimsical, and funny, but I actually just want to be really sincere and just say thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. I never really thought of this channel as mine, and I never will. I actually think of it as ours. It's a place for us to all learn, because I know what it's like to not get help when it comes to a creative outlet that you want in life, because creativity will be a game changer and sometimes a lifesaver. So thank you all for joining in and watching the videos, the comments, the suggestions, helping each other out in the comments. It's fantastic. Or sending me your art on social media. It really warms my heart to see that you are also trying creative outlets in life. All right, enough with the sappy stuff. Let's get down to everything. I kind of want to do a little bit of an announcement and let you know what's coming up. Since we hit 10,000, I made a promise within the community portion tab of YouTube that I would review the Bob Ross easel, and you know what? I'm gonna do it. Should be one of my next videos. May not be the next one, but it definitely will be the one after that, so keep an eye out for that. I've also been toying around for a while now of adding my own Wild Creates Instagram account, so that way I can share just the art section with you on tips, tricks, my art, but more importantly, a way for you to share your art with me. If that's something that you're interested in, please let me know in the comments down below, because I'd really want to know if that's something that you all would jump in on or share with or look at. I've also been looking into getting my own art studio outside of my house. This room that I film in, it's really small. It's like 8 by 10. I don't have much room one way or the other, which is why you see me pushed into a corner here. It feels like most of my relationships. But I've been looking to get an art studio. It's actually been really hard to do with COVID, because actually, since things have been reopening up, all spaces have been getting snagged up. But I want to let you know it's going to come on or come in the future. So prepare yourself for a bigger space, more in-depth videos, more angles, better lighting, all that fun stuff. I'm really excited to bring you all that cool things. I just hope it happens soon, and I'm really excited about it. All right, something fun that I also want to share with you since we hit 10,000. There's a sponsored video that I will be doing that will be coming up very shortly. It's something I think that's fun. It's actually a sponsorship from a friend of mine that I can't wait to share with you all. So I hope you watch the video when that happens, but I'm going to keep it as a little bit of a surprise because it's just a tease right now. But it's cool that somebody wants to sponsor something on this channel. And again, I have to thank you all for that. And since we hit 10K, in addition to the Bob Ross easel, I also want to do a kind of reward for all of you. So I'm going to do my first live stream on this channel right here, where I'm going to paint something you guys can follow along. It's going to be great. I don't know the exact date yet, but trust me, I will share it with you when I know when it's coming up. It's just going to be a simple painting to get you all started to where you can ask Q&As, personal questions, and we're just going to have fun. I don't know, maybe we'll make it a wine Wednesday or a whiskey Saturday. There's no other days that start with W, but I'm going to drink, I'm going to have fun, and we're going to have a great time, so you can look forward to that. In addition to the 10K, I know a lot of people out there, and this really warms my heart a lot, want to help support my channel monetarily, which is awesome. I don't think a lot of people realize when you do art on YouTube, it costs a lot of money. Well, it costs money in general. I think a lot of people forget when I make art, like, something like this over here, this costs money. I have to pay for the paste, the easel, or not the easel, I have to pay for the paste, the canvas, the paints, the mediums, all that stuff, the varnishes, and well beyond everything else. It's every video costs money. So the fact that you want to help support me means the world to me. So with YouTube, I can unlock memberships. And with memberships, you can help support by becoming a member or subscriber, whatever you want to call it, and you can pay a certain amount. Now, what I want from you is, hey, what amount sounds comfortable to you, or what tiers would you like to have? I'm thinking either a 3-tier or a 4-tier, which has different denominations, which also give you different perks and benefits. So let me know what numbers you like, so that way I can tailor them to you. And also, let me know what benefits and perks you would like. Some of the things I'm toying around with is early access to my videos, maybe private access to more longer in-depth tutorial videos. If I can do that, gotta check on it. And also, I think it'd be really cool is if one video a month is suggested by somebody that's a member. whether it be a review, a tutorial, a Q&A, anything like that. But I really want to know what you would like, so please, please, please leave me a comment down below because I would love some feedback on this. Since we're talking about the perks and benefits and what I would like to see you say about those, I'd also like to know, what do you want to see on this channel? You want to see more reviews, you want to see me use different types of paints, acrylics, watercolors, anything like that. Or maybe you just want more in-depth tutorials or bite-sized tutorials or tips and tricks. You know, I listen to all the suggestions, and I think you know that because I reply to pretty much every comment out there. But again, while you're down in the comments, let me know what you'd like to see on this channel so that way I can really tailor what you're struggling with to help a lot of you out there. If you have a problem, trust me, thousands of other people are having the same problem, and I'm here to help. Use my knowledge and really take advantage of what I can offer you. I also like to set personal challenges for myself, so I need to make some goals. You know, hitting 10K was one of my goals. I don't know what my next one should be. 25K, 50K, getting more sponsored videos, maybe doing a collaboration with someone. If you have any goal suggestions, again, comments down below. This is going to be a very comment-heavy video that I want to hear back. But again, this is our channel, not just mine. So I'd love to hear from any of you and all of you out there. Again, I really just want to say thank you so much for watching, putting up with my jokes. Some are mature or immature or perverse or whatever they are. I just like to have fun on this channel. If I feel like I can make art fun for you and make you laugh, it's going to be a lot easier for you to go along with your journey, because then you can laugh at the mistakes you have and go, all right, we can get it. We can fix it from here and we can keep going forward. I just want to make art fun for you because I know it can take you awesome places in life. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate and adore you all. And as always, peace.